In this video, I'll show you how to minimize YouTube on your phone. First, open the YouTube app and start playing any video. To minimize the video while continuing to browse YouTube, simply swipe the video down from the top of the screen. The video will shrink into a mini player at the bottom of the app. You can continue browsing other videos while the current video keeps playing. If you want to hide the mini player completely, swipe it to the left or right, depending on your device. If you're referring to minimizing YouTube so it plays over other apps, you'll need Picture-in-Picture mode, or PIP mode. Go to your phone's settings, open Apps Management, select YouTube, then tap Picture-in-Picture and make sure it is enabled. Now open YouTube, play a video, and press the Home button or swipe up to go to the home screen. If your account and video support Picture-in-Picture, the video will continue playing in a small floating window. That's it. This is how you can minimize YouTube on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.